gold. Pag tinype nyo kasi guys yung gold dito, kaya marami lumalabas. May gold mining. Ito yung barrick gold natin, USA. NYSE. New York Stock Exchange. Okay. So let's see. Okay, looking at our daily time frame. Again, let's remove the drawings first. Okay, just like our other parameters, our yellow line must cross the blue line with a MACD sloping upward. That gives us a momentum, and this is why I bought this. Now, should you be buying at this point? Dito pa lang bumili na ako eh. Here, I think. So, yan. Tingnan natin yung upside niya. Okay, so if you will buy here, and this is our resistance, this is our cut loss area, we will have a 1.7 to 1 risk reward ratio. Okay, so let's draw a resistance here, and our support. And so, but we placed our cut loss here, cut loss area. Alright, now let's go to market stats. Market cap of gold, barrick gold, is $32.47 billion. Price earning ratio, wow, taas 75.25. Dividend yield, if you are a dividend player, again, this is a good one, 3.77%. What experts say, 50% of them say that we should buy. For the other 50%, they say to hold. Okay, target price is at 22.50. Estimated return 21.62%. Risk, gold has 35% less risk than the market as a whole. So maganda yan. Now let's hear some description of Barrick Gold.
Barrick Gold Corporation engages in the production and sale of gold, copper, and related activities. It also provides exploration and mining development. It operates through the following business segments: Carlin, Cortez, Turquoise Ridge, Pueblo Viejo, Lulogancoto, Kibali, Veladero, North Mara, Balayan Hilu, and others. The other segments includes Long Canyon, Phoenix, Nevada Gold Mines, Hemlo, Latin America and Asia Pacific, North Mara, Tongan, Buzwaji, and Africa and Middle East. The company was founded by Peter D. Monk in 1983 and is headquartered in Toronto, Canada.
Alright, so guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something today. And again, as always, I always wish everyone to profit. May the profits be with us. Okay, so keep watching this channel and let's learn together. And let's be profitable together. Alright? Have a great week. Bye.